Welcome to MyGloveCompartment, a self-service system of vehicle travel. MyGloveCompartment allows the user to set navigation route, enable navigate the car and show where it is, provide users some functions of searching facilities and some real-time information, and contact a remote center server when some accident occurs. Inside the vehicle is located a personal electronic device. Initially, the user must register with the service. Upon successful registration and at all future times, the user must log in. The welcome screen is comprised of 5 buttons to navigate the service: Emergency, Navigation, Personal Data, and Dynamic Inquire. The first button we will explore is Personal Data. MyGloveCompartment allows the user to store and update important information remotely. This data can later be accessed when the need arises. There are multiple choices to store various types of information. After entering the information, the user clicks on Update Information, and this information is sent to the service's database. By clicking the same Update button, we can see that, in fact, the information has correctly been saved. The same procedure is followed for each type of information. These include user info, auto insurance info, vehicle maintenance info, vehicle info, and emergency info. Instead of digging through the glove compartment or home file cabinets, the user has immediate access to this information through the device. Potentially the most important information is that in the emergency info option. This information will be used by the MyGloveCompartment service in case of future emergencies. This feature will be explained in more detail later. We next look at the navigation module. Wireless GPS will be used to locate the user's current position. The user can manually pan and zoom around their current location. The service also allows the user to find points of interest in the vicinity. In this case, we are looking for local restaurants. As with traditional GPS devices, the user may input a destination and a route will be calculated. Here is the route from our current location in Kansas City to St. Louis. To illustrate the navigation system, we will now take a simulated trip. Look, Dad, there's the arch. When an emergency arises, the user inputs the problem using the emergency module. The location and emergency type is then sent to the service center. We will look at how the message is handled by the service center a little later. The last module on the user's device is Dynamic Inquire. This allows the user to request various types of information from the service center. Options include weather, traffic, and current, concert and sporting events. We now turn to the service center operations. The first is Emergency Monitor. The center has the ability to list all emergency signals sent from various users. The user's location and type of emergency are displayed. The center can then access the emergency contact information that the user inputted earlier with their device. Appropriate calls to the emergency services and the user's contacts can then be made. The emergency then is cleared from the emergency table. The center can also display all requests made with the Dynamic Inquire module. The user is located and appropriate information for their location is forwarded to the user's device. Here is an example of the user receiving the forwarded information. The last capability the Service Center has is the Maintain service. This allows the Service Center to make any necessary changes or updates to a user's accounts. This can include deleting an inactive account, setting up a new account, or making user-requested changes to their information. Thank you for watching our presentation of MyGloveCompartment. Please have a good day.